home to this big package, and then it's so well packaged, and I'm like, I didn't order a plant, and it is packaged very well. This person paid a lot of money to package this, so I am so humbled. And then I opened it. I got this cute card. It says, "Hi Emily, thank you for sharing your love of succulents with all of us. We truly enjoy watching your I think this says your journey. Dora. Dora, thank you so much. You went above and beyond to share your plants with me. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness." And then I've never heard of this. It's called goldfish vine. Look at how pretty it is when you open that. You're too sweet. Look at this. Oh, and it flowers like that. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that, guys. Dora, thank you so much. I did not expect you to go through all this trouble for me. I feel truly blessed and humbled by you guys. Look at this beautiful plant. It's she told me the name of it. I didn't expect us to get this so quickly either. She just told me, I think yesterday, that she sent me the plant. So it's Mandela. It's called Echeveria Mandela, and she told me that it's a very delicate plant, and that it does tend to rot at the top if you let water sit on it. So not to let any water sit on it. And then she sent me something else. Oh, another aeonium to add to my collection. I have a little bowl of aeoniums where I'm trying to keep them all together for when they go dormant. I can put them all away inside my greenhouse. Look at this beautiful one right here. She'll fit in there perfectly. It says aeonium. Not sure what variety. She's pretty. Dora, thank you so much. I feel so appreciated. I appreciate you guys too. Thank you so much, Dora, and I hope many, many blessings for you and your family. Thank you. And oh guys, if you want to follow her Instagram, oh, she has beautiful arrangements and a beautiful yard. I'll link her Instagram down below so you guys can follow her. And yeah, thank you all. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.